Is your Audi A6 key fob, flip remote style, not working reliably? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. These fobs use a CR2032 lithium coin battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. First, locate the seam on the side of your key fob. Gently pry it open. Take out the old battery, noting which side is up plus. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the correct side facing up. Snap the fob back together. Test it by locking your doors. This procedure is standard for 2005 to 2011 Audi A6 models and doesn't require software updates. If your key fob still doesn't work after a battery change, double-check the battery orientation. Ensure you're using a genuine CR2032 battery, as cheaper alternatives can cause issues. If that doesn't solve the problem, the fob might need reprogramming, though this is rare after just a battery change. Avoid using excessive force when opening the fob to prevent damage to the internal circuits. Dispose of the old lithium battery properly at a recycling center. Online tutorials with video guidance can be found on YouTube for extra help. Keep in mind that aftermarket key fobs may experience issues with counterfeit batteries, so opting for OEM or certified replacements is recommended.